Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are starting a new video series about machine learning with Python. And if you are interested in this subject, you are most welcome. Otherwise, just like and subscribe the channel and move on. But if you are interested in learning about machine learning, this is gonna be one of the very detailed and very descriptive video series about machine learning on the internet. So subscribe the channel and you will have a very good content and your learning will be very good. So I would start with a little bit about my introduction. So my name is Ahmad and I'm a software architect with around 10 years of experience. During these 10 years, I have designed and built systems for Walmart, some of the top companies, and I've been doing very good. And so everything I'm gonna teach you, it's everything I have learned during these 10 years and I have applied during these 10 years. And this is what I'm gonna teach you. And this is not a very basic level course. This is gonna be very detailed course so you can get a good understanding of the machine learning. So yeah, and what we are going to cover in this video. So we're gonna start with the data processing. We're going to cover regression. We're going to cover simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression, spot vector regression, decision tree regression, random forest. And as you can see, we are going to cover naive Bayes, decision tree classification. We're going to cover clustering. We're going to cover SVM, spot vector machine, and we are going to cover reinforcement learning, natural language processing, deep learning, artificial neural network. So as I said, this is going to be a very detailed course with Python. So if this is something you are looking for, this is your way to go. And subscribe the channel. I like this video if this is something you are looking for. Thank you.